You can go 2 hot dogs at a time.
Oh, is that not skin? Why is it this color? I've never seen a hot dog that has red skin. Or not skin. What is that?
Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, I'm not gonna cook at my kitchen because I'm using one of Maylee and Mitch property. Their beautiful kitchen. I'm excited. So let me introduce you, Maylee and Mitch from Filipino.
I'm so happy we're here. Oh, I'm so excited. This is gonna be super
Thank you guys
fun.
for letting me use your beautiful kitchen.
Yeah, it's good to be here.
Finally, we actually get to use it, to be honest. Like, I have been wanting to use, I mean, we've done now over 200 fix and flips, and I've never cooked in one of these kitchens, ever. So I'm...
Now it's about time to cook, right?
Yes, absolutely.
So can you let us know how you guys started this business?
Oh, wow, that's a good question.
Yeah, well, I started about 10 years ago. I was working a job, selling websites, decided that I didn't want to work for the man anymore. So I went out and learned how to invest in real estate. And the rest is kind of history. I mean, since then, we've done over 200 fix and flips. We have done countless beautiful kitchens, and we've never cooked in any of them. So this is a wonderful opportunity. We're so happy to have you here. Thank you for coming, and we're excited to go.
So I've never even heard of Filipino spaghetti, so I'm very excited.
It sounds weird, but I promise you, you're gonna love it.
Okay, well, I mean, you heard it from the expert. I'm pretty excited. We're gonna have a competition today, it sounds like.
Yep.
Okay, tell us the rules.
So, we're gonna give you the recipe. It's up to you how you guys put all together,
Okay.
right? And then, at the end of the cooking, we're all gonna taste differently. You taste mine, because I'm gonna make the dairy-free. You're gonna make the regular one.
Okay. And we have 30 minutes?
30
clock?
minutes, yes.
Okay.
30 minutes cooking time. It's like the chop that we're watching.
All right, are you ready?
Yes, let's do this.
Okay.
Okay, so here we go. We are making Filipino spaghetti. What's Filipino spaghetti?
I'm not exactly sure,
don't
but
know.
I do see,
I think we should split this up. Like, we should divvy up responsibilities based on what we're good at.
and we have a timeline, so we only have 30 minutes to get this done. So
Okay.
we got to make this really efficient. So I'll be in charge of the ground beef, and there's hot dogs.
I'm good at hot dogs.
Okay, so you
got the
slice
hot
the hot dogs. This doesn't look too terribly hard. It's about 30 minutes. It looks like it's 35 minutes, so we got to make this quick. So.
Okay, wait. So I have hot dogs. What else do you want me to do?
I think that's all he's going to be able to do. Just hot dogs.
I love the vote of confidence here.
Me too.
So spaghetti Filipino is a little bit different from what we traditional. It's a little bit sweet just to balance the tartness on it. So I was thinking, how do these two white people, Mitch and Millie, gonna do the spaghetti sauce? I hope they're gonna nail it. We'll see.
All right. Okay, 30 minutes. Is the timer already going?
Go.
Okay, here we go. Preheat saucepan, medium-high heat. Put olive oil in. Okay, you tell me the next step.
Okay. Preheat saucepan to medium heat. Add 3 teaspoons of olive oil. Uh-oh, Maylee doesn't measure things.
I know,
3 teaspoons. The human measuring cup over here.
Yep.
All right. Diced
All right.
ham, marinara sauce, banana sauce, condensed milk, shredded cheese. Okay, well, what should I do?
Stand there and read this to me. That's what's next.
I'm just here because, I'm pretty.
All right, so first let's preheat our pan and then put our olive oil. You can use any type of oil you want, but I want olive oil. Fancy. Then we're using a ground beef, 1 pound to 1.5. Then we're just gonna sear this for like about 10 minutes. All right, while that's searing, let me prep my hot dog. So I'm just cut them like diagonal, or you can cut them circle. It's up to you. So the version I'm making is I'm making a dairy-free Filipino spaghetti sauce because I'm lactose intolerant. So this is good for the people that has dairy problem. And then if you are gluten-free, this is gluten-free also.
I'll get us ready for adding hot dogs. How many hot dogs should I do?
It says,
Oh,
are you even reading?
yes. Oh, wait.
Sounds about right.
You can go 2 hot dogs at a time.
Oh, is that not skin? Why is it this color? I've never seen a hot dog that has red skin. Or not skin. What is that?
Okay, so here's the thing. I am really crushing this hot dog stuff. I'm cruising on these hot dogs.
Sure you are.
I'm crushing it over here, and I feel like I'm outperforming everyone else on my team. So, we'll have to check in with them and see how they're feeling, but killing the hot dog stuff.
All right, so when I see Mitch is slicing the hot dog, I want to laugh so hard because he's cutting it like circle and then cutting it half instead of doing only one. Cut half the hot dog instead of double all the work and then cut it all the way. But he did it so many procedures, so I don't know with Mitch.
What is taking you so long?
I'm making towers, and then I'm slicing the towers.
Oh my gosh. He's like a little 5-year-old. Stop playing with your food. All right, so I know Mitch is really frustrated because all I gave him was hot dogs to slice up. And of course, all I see is him being a 7-year-old, like normal, building towers out of these hot dog slices. So are you questioning why I only gave him one task? Yep, exactly.
Did I put the hot dogs in yet?
Nope.
Okay.
Look how cute. I need one of these. It's so cute. Not that I'd really use it because I don't usually measure anything at my house. Oh, a full teaspoon? Oh, hold on.
So our Filipino spaghetti is different from the Italian spaghetti sauce or American sauce because this is more like has a sweetness on it that just to balance the tartness of the tomato. So all you need to do is you just need to browning the meat before we put the rest of the ingredients. Chef Rhochelle Kitchen Love, where you get the good Filipino food. And I do also catering, so if you guys need catering for your special event, call Kitchen Lab Catering. 808-546-9261. Yes, I kept my 808 because I love Hawaii. So I learned this from my grandmother on mother's side. And then my dad. My dad actually is a good cook on my family. And of course my mom too, I love you, Mom. All right, so my meat is already browning. I can put the rest of the ingredients, seasoning. So garlic powder, 1 teaspoon. And the onion powder is 1 teaspoon, 1:1. Ground black pepper. This is only like according to your taste. So, and you can always adjust your seasoning at the end. I'm not gonna put my salt yet because like the sauce is already have salt. So I can always adjust it at the end, as I said.
Oh, I'm gonna feel like a real chef here. Watch. Bink.
Bink. With the sound effects, so you know it's real.
Yeah, this is what they do. I swear. Diced ham. Ooh, the whole thing. Okay. This seems like a really odd spaghetti. I'm just saying. This doesn't seem like spaghetti at all. All right, that looks pretty, babe. Okay, do you want to put the sauce in? You're up.
And by sauce, you mean hot dogs? Oh, no, you mean sauce.
Put the sauce in. The whole shebang.
The whole shebang?
Yep.
Did I mess this up?
I don't think so.
If it can be messed up, I'll probably do it.
Oh gosh. And all of a sudden we grab this bottle and it's evidently a ketchup banana sauce. This is what this is. So I asked Mitch to open it up and put the sauce in because I was putting all the other ingredients in. I thought he could help out a little bit. And he starts pushing in and recognize that he's using this and trying to get it out like it's a shake weight. That's pretty embarrassing, and this is gonna go live. So if you have problems with this, let him know you can't take it out like that. This is just not how you do it. What are you doing?
What happened? I don't know what I'm doing. I was a little bit confused when I read banana sauce. I'm no scientist, but last banana I saw was yellow, and this banana sauce was like a pinky orangey color. So I don't know what kind of bananas they have in the Philippines, but I'm hoping this is gonna turn out to be some pretty good spaghetti. Also, that's sticky stuff. It took me a minute to get it out of that glass bottle.
How do you get this out? I need a knife.
Oh. Here, clean your face off. Also, how do you get sauce out of a banana? Is there like a banana milking process that you put these things through and then put it into a glass container? I have no idea. Anyway, we're cooking with banana sauce. It's a new thing for me. Guess we'll find out how it turns out. And bottle's empty.
All right. Whew.
Who's the sauce master?
Now I can put the sauce. So you can use your any spaghetti sauce. I just love this brand. So I used to this brand, so I'm using it. And then the Filipino banana ketchup. So I'm not sure why Mitch and Maylee are so confused with the banana ketchup. As Filipino, we don't know the American ketchup. We know only banana ketchup. But since we moved to the US, we know Heinz and different brand. But we still stick with our Filipino pride, banana ketchup. So the diced ham, you just mix all together. And then I'm gonna put my brown sugar as my sweetness ingredients. This is a dairy-free. You can use also the granulated sugar, but the brown sugar will add more color into the sauce. So I'm using a half cup of brown sugar for now, and then as I said, I can adjust the seasoning at the end. This is the dairy cheese that I have. It's the mozzarella cheese, so I'm just gonna use a cup of it. This is to add more flavor. Make sure to leave some just for your garnish on top. When you're ready to plate, adjust the seasoning, and then I'll put my hot dog, and then cook it for 5 minutes, and then it's good to go.
Oh. Interesting.
Sweetened condensed milk.
I thought condensed milk was more liquidy, but this is like a...
No, that's sweetened condensed milk.
Okay, well, I've obviously never used it before.
All right, so the reason that Maylee doesn't know what condensed milk is because I do all the cooking around our house, like most of it, right? And obviously that's condensed milk, like, and obviously the other stuff's banana milk. I mean, come on, get to know your milks, right?
I think this is right. I have no idea. Go ahead.
We'll find out. Oh, at the same time?
Sure.
Has to be done at the same time
Yep.
as the sweetened condensed milk.
It did. It's
Otherwise, you don't get the milky hot dog effect.
Milky hot dog effect. Don't be shy. Come on, keep it coming. Well, we're gonna just let this simmer. Try it.
I don't know if I want to. Hey, that's not bad.
It's really sweet.
I have to say, that's the best Filipino spaghetti sauce I've ever had.
So yeah, what kind of questions do you have for us about cooking? I'm sure we can answer all of them for you. As you can see, we're really, really good at this. Cook a lot in the kitchen together.
Like toast
Yep.
and cold cereal.
Actually, mac and cheese. My son.
Mac and cheese,
you
yeah.
know,
Microwave mac and cheese.
really likes macaroni and cheese.
I could do microwavable Jimmy Dean breakfast sandwiches.
That's true.
The secret is put it in for 1 minute and 23 seconds. It says 90 seconds. It's not. It's 83 seconds.
Okay, well here it is. It's so fun.
So that's my sauce. So this is Maylee and Mitch sauce. Yours is beautiful, actually. It's the winner sauce. I like the color.
Oh, well, I actually am more of a rich red color, so we'll have to see. We'll see what happens here.
So if you see the differences, because I forgot my dairy-free whipping cream, this one, it has more the lighter red color. It's close, like, yeah. Mine's more red.
It's gonna be delicious, though. Partly because your hot dogs look like they actually are sliced correctly. And maybe, actually, we cooked ours not as long as we probably should have. So we'll see. Okay, well, do you want to do the honors and
Sure.
first?
So let's put the noodles. And then Maylee to put her homemade Filipino spaghetti sauce.
Oh, yes. I love how you spun it. It makes it look so pretty. Little garnish, right? Little.
Yes.
Okay, okay, okay. Did I do that right?
Yes.
Okay.
Beautiful.
Well, let's go make the boys try it. What do you think? Cheers, you guys. I'm so excited to try Filipino spaghetti. This is going to be so amazing. I'm so excited.
So we're gonna do Maylee and Mitch first. Oh,
Here we go.
I think there's a
little
winner
scared.
here.
A little scared.
A little scared, a little excited, mostly scared.
Mostly scared. The hot dog thing is just killing me. I can't even.
You know, not bad.
Oh, that's really good.
Maylee, you did a good job. Good job.
No, it is good. It's sweet. It's
Yep, it's on point.
that's good.
It's on point. Ooh, there's a winner here.
Yeah. Well, that means her recipe is amazing. Which means if I can cook it, you can cook it to a home, which that's awesome.
All right, now we'll do mine.
Chef Rochelle's mix.
Yeah.
Dairy-free here.
Dairy-free
Go ahead and
sauce.
try.
Oh, that's delicious. My goodness. This is so good.
Woohoo!
We have a
Mitch
converter.
loves
Rochelle.
You've converted him.
Spaghetti lover.
I mean, honestly, they're both so good. I can't pick a winner on this.
They're just different, actually, and
They're
I
a
don't
little
know.
bit different, but they're both so good.
We might be better at cooking Filipino spaghetti than we are at flipping houses. I don't know. Maybe we're just in the wrong business. That's what I'm saying.
Now you flip spaghetti from Italian to Filipino.
Ooh, that should be the episode name. I like
Flipping
that.
spaghetti.
I know,
spaghetti.
that's a good one, yeah.
From Italian to Filipino.
Yes.
Spaghetti.
Thank you, Millie and Mitch, for cooking with me. It's
Our
my
pleasure.
pleasure. And letting me use your beautiful kitchen again.
You got it.
So, my YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and ring that bell to notify you every time I have a new video uploaded. And don't forget to put your thumbs up as well. Millie and Mitch, you can say anything about your business so people would know about more.
Yes, I mean, we would love the support. We did this collab for a reason because it's a fun way to have a fun experience, but also to help both of our channels take off and to gain more subscribers. So that is what we're hoping for you to do, obviously, today is ring that bell, subscribe on both sides, because that's
Yes.
really, really important. And you can find us at Flippin' with Mitch and Maylee. Any other fun things? I mean, we've got social media, TikTok, Instagram, all the things.
Check it out.
Yes, check it out. Both of the channel, please. Maraming salamat, Agyamanak. Thank you, mahalo for watching our videos. Till next time.